Hello everyone and welcome back, or if this is your first time, hi, I'm Kate and this is my channel. Wow, that was tacky. Anyway, this is another Black Canary prep video, yeah. So I don't have my earrings in, I couldn't be bothered to take all my earrings out. I've got 7, so yeah. So I have straightened my hair. I have attempted to. My hair is quite wavy and curly normally, as you have seen in the last couple of videos. So it's not going to stay straight, and it's not going to be completely straight. I've got kinks and kick-off bits and ducktails going on, but I tried, so that's what matters. So I'm just going to pull my hair back a little bit. It is short, so I'm not going to try and wreck it at the moment because I just straightened it this morning. So yeah. Anyway, to the point of the video, it's not about my straightened hair. Okay, so for my eyes, I used my Sports Girl burgundy palette. I'll open it up. You can tell, dirty as hell, because I've used it a shitload. Sorry guys, my bad. Okay, so I've used Bay, which is this light colour for my base. I used Dam Gina for my crease, and By Felicia to get, which is like a shimmery one here, to get a golden look. And again, I used my Kat Von D lipstick in the colour Exorcism. I'll show you the top for my Black Canary look. This look actually looks really good with my hair and my shirt at the moment. It's all kind of colour coordinated, but again, that's not what the video is about. So, what I've done is, last time I put my wig back in the bag, so, because I don't have a head thing or anything, I'm probably doing this wrong, don't judge me. First time, guys, remember? So, I'm literally just putting it on top of my head right now. Not bad for a Black Canary look. My wig cap has not arrived yet, hence why I am just placing it at the moment. Could also pass as Supergirl, but at the moment, Canary. If I put glasses on, I probably could be Supergirl, but I don't have my glasses in here, do I? No, I don't. Okay, so this is a little bit knotty. I have been trying to brush it, but I have a detangler brush for it, but it's like a little bit came out, so I was like, maybe not. Okay, so there is a clip again at the back of this. There it is. Pull that down. I don't know if I've got my hair or not caught in this. I hope to hell I have not. This is a little bit tricky, I can't see what I'm doing. Oh! Okay, pull down and try and connect that up. Come on. There we are. A little bit better. Hopefully I haven't damaged my straightened hair. So, as you can tell, it is a little bit knotty. Don't want to see my hair. It's the last thing you want to see in a Black Canary video. Okay. So I will do a proper wig video and everything once I get my wig cap. Yeah. So, if you want to know how I got this eye look, I'm just going to move a bit closer. Let you have a look. Let me know. Because I was going to do a full video, but it was cringy as hell, and it was a really long video, and I don't know if people want to see that or not. So if you do want to see an eye look, just to get ideas, let me know. Yeah, because I will be willing to share and help. Because when I wanted to figure out how I wanted my black canary look, I went straight to YouTube, and there was a couple of videos, but they weren't helpful, really. They didn't say what they were doing, they didn't show, well, they did show it, but like they weren't talking. I find communication is very important, especially verbally. So if you guys want like a good, even if it's a good for like a dark lipstick like this video for an eyeshadow, let me know. I can do a tutorial of this. And yeah. Anyway, I actually might go wear this out and confuse my, like, go into work and confuse everyone. So I got heaps of likes when I posted a picture of me with this wig on. But also might not, because I've got my straightened hair underneath and I don't want to wreck it. Because I'm going to a party this weekend. So that's why I've styled it, so I can leave it like this. Because it will stay straight for a while. I just have to touch it up. But anyway. Ooh, this actually looks really nice with this top. Anyway, if I do that, you might not be able to see. Oh, that's... Ugh. I need my wig cap. Ugh. Okay. So, actually, you don't have to wear wigs for cosplay. You can wear them for whenever you want. I look bald, though. My forehead is a bit weird. But, like... I'm almost half tempted to wear this out. Anyway, this has turned into me rambling, so I'm gonna go. But, wow, if you have liked this video, give me a like, subscribe, leave a comment, whatever you want to do. If you subscribe, remember to hit that little bell, it's down there somewhere. And yeah, you guys have a great day. Bye!